Today's lecture is on waste recycling plants. The contents are: what is waste recycling, types of waste recycling, different waste recycling plants. Now, what is waste recycling? Waste recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. It is an alternative to conventional waste disposal that can save material and help lower greenhouse gas emission. Recycling can prevent the waste of potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw materials, thereby reducing energy uses, air pollution, and water pollution. Types of waste recycling. There are three types of recycling known as primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary recycling means that the recyclable material or product is recovered and reused without being changed in any way and used for very same purpose. Secondary recycling means turning something into other thing made of same material in essentially the same form. So we are saying primary recycling means that the recyclable material oblique product is recovered and reused without being changed. In secondary, the secondary recycling means turning something into other thing made of the same material. It means turning in other thing. Ternary or chemical recycling, on other hand, requires breaking material down chemically to produce something very different, that is ternary. So we are discussing three types of waste recycling. First one primary, second one secondary, third one ternary. Different waste recycling plants: waste paper and cardboard plant, metal recycling plant, recycling plant, wood recycling plant, glass recycling plants. Waste paper and cardboard plant. The recycling of paper is process by which waste paper is turned into new paper product. It has number of important benefits. It saves waste paper from the occupying homes of the people and producing methane as it breaking down. It means by breaking the paper we are getting methane as well as paper. Because paper fiber contains carbon, recycling keeps the carbon locked up for long and out of the atmosphere. Around 2/3 of all paper produced in the US are now recovered and recycled, although it does not all become newspaper. After repeated processing, the fibers becomes too short for production of new paper. This is why virgin fiber will be added to pulp receive. Process. The paper is taken to recycling plant where it is separated into types and grades. The separated paper is then washed with the soapy water to remove inks, plastic films, and glue. By adding different materials to the slurry, different paper products can be created, such as cardboard, newsprint, or office paper.